In a bold step towards innovation, India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program, AMCA, is set to revolutionize its production process with 3D printing technology. At the forefront of this transformative leap is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The manufacturer behind the AMCA aims to harness the transformative potential of additive manufacturing. By integrating 3D printing, HAL anticipates substantial benefits, ranging from cost reduction and faster turnaround times to optimized material usage. India's aerospace industry, a new era is dawning. The country is embarking on a monumental journey towards developing its very own fifth-generation fighter jet, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA. This ambitious endeavor comes with its own set of challenges. The AMCA aims to integrate cutting-edge technologies, such as stealth design, supersonic speed, advanced weaponry, and state-of-the-art avionics. Traditionally, aircraft manufacturing has relied on labor-intensive processes, like CNC machining. While effective, these methods often result in significant material wastage and prolonged production timelines. For the AMCA, achieving high-quality finishes and minimizing costs are critical. Enter 3D printing, a disruptive technology poised to revolutionize the aerospace industry. "3D printing, or additive manufacturing, offers a paradigm shift. It enables complex geometries to be manufactured with precision, reducing material waste and accelerating production times. With its ability to produce lightweight, yet durable components directly from digital designs, 3D printing is ideal for realizing the AMCA's advanced stealth capabilities and performance requirements." However, the transition to additive manufacturing necessitates careful consideration of various factors, ensuring stringent quality control, identifying suitable materials that meet stealth requirements, and establishing robust post-processing capabilities are essential steps in this transformative journey. HAL's meticulous approach to these challenges underscores its dedication to maintaining the AMCA's standards of excellence. If successfully implemented, this initiative could set a precedent for future endeavors, positioning Indian aircraft manufacturing on a trajectory towards greater agility and cost-effectiveness. Recently, Lockheed Martin, a leading global aerospace and defense company, expressed interest in partnering with India's most anticipated project, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA. Their proposed collaboration could involve a spectrum of advanced technologies, including the Auto Ground Collision Avoidance System, a life-saving technology that intervenes to prevent ground collisions, thus significantly enhancing flight safety for Indian pilots. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section.